So today we're unboxing this Aces Deuces Wild EFI system. You got a knife? God, you're terrible at this. So I have not looked at any of this, but we are going to take a look. Now, if you've seen my previous video, you know that this is going to be for the Scirocco. Shout out to James Pumphrey at Donut Media, who loves these cars. You guys don't need to see that. Oh, look at this. I bet you half the price of this thing had to be for the box. Oh. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You see this? Always bet on Aces. Ooh. Okay. So here's our installation guide, which is actually pretty thick. That is nice. That's a lot of reading that we're not going to do right now. All right. So first off, this looks like the screen for inside. Nice little harness there. I think this is the 5-inch screen. And let me tell you something. I know what 5 inches is. Looks like we have the ECU. It's aluminum. That feels really nice. Look how many pins are in there. Let's move this to the side some more. The real meat and potatoes. What do we have here? Ooh, looks like we got a coolant sensor. Nice. Oh, we got some swag. Check that out. That's pretty exciting. I don't know what that is. It's probably in the instructions. Oh, I think this is ECU mounts. Nice little rubber mounts. We have the wideband O2 sensor. It's supplied with the kit. We have here cancer. Well, that's not good. Some AN fuel lines. Even sent an AN fuel line wrench. That's pretty fancy. This must be the communication. Yes, USB CAN. It's for communicating. Words. Looks like we got a suction cup window mount for the screen. That's pretty neat. Some stuff's rubbed off there. That's okay. And this looks to be our full harness, which is nicely labeled to throttle. Everything's here. Oh, you know, now I think about it, this is the grommet to go through the firewall. And down here in the bottom, looks like we have some gaskets. And the real reason we're here this is the Deuces Wild 2-barrel TBI. Look at that. So as far as I know about this, is it has 2 100-pound-per-hour injectors in it. And that's good for about 350 horsepower, naturally aspirated, and they claim 250 with forced induction. So I don't really plan on pushing this car past 250 for now. So this is what we're going to start with. So I would like to say this video is not sponsored by Aces. I have never seen a video of the Deuces Wild on YouTube. So I want to do a little unboxing video, kind of show you what it comes with. And yeah, so if you've seen any of the previous videos, you might know about the Scirocco, which this is going to go on. And if you want to see this thing run off this EFI, follow along, and hopefully within the next month or so, that'll be a thing. So thanks guys for tuning in to Steel Dog Fabrication. Follow along if you want to see this Aces Deuces Wild go on a car that was probably never designed for something like this. And on top of that, I'm willing to bet you that this is going to be the first Scirocco this ran off a 2-barrel EFI system. Because most people would take the extra time and build a mega squirt system, which I got a big brain, but I'm not that smart. So we're going with something that's easy to tune and easy to install. And yeah, hopefully we'll go fast as you can go in a, 50-year-old car? I'm not so good at math. Is it 50?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, guys.